morning everybody. We discussed about the second lesson, water lesson. Okay, today we see the topic water cycle. Cycle is a rotation. This is reversible change. It is a reversible change. Okay, already in previous class we see this diagram and what are the process or occur in this water cycle. Okay, so water cycle, listen. The water on earth evaporates into atmosphere due to heat of sun. Okay, the main source of heat energy is sun. So the evaporation occur under sun. The water vapor in the atmosphere forms clouds. The water vapor are formed clouds in the atmosphere. Okay, from the clouds water falls on earth in the form of rain or snow. Snow means panikatti. Okay, rain or snow. By this natural process, it is a natural process, water gets renewed. This is called water cycle. What is meant by water cycle? The water are evaporated and they form the clouds on the atmosphere. The clouds water falls on the earth from the form of rain or snow. That is called water cycle. Okay, water cycle is a continuous process. It involves 3 stages. What are the 3 stages? Evaporation, condensation and precipitation. It is also called hydrological cycle. So it is called hydrological cycle. The main 3 stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Okay, what is meant by evaporation? Water from oceans, lakes, ponds and rivers evaporates due to the heat of the sun. Okay, what is meant by evaporation? The lake water, river water, ocean water are evaporates due to the heat of the sun. Okay, the sun. Okay, the main source of heat energy is sun. So the water are evaporate are called evaporation. Okay, then condensation. Water vapor which enters into the atmosphere. The water vapor are evaporate and enter into the atmosphere by evaporation. Moves upward with air. The water are evaporate and mixed with air and get cooled change into tiny water droplets. சிறு நீர் துளிகள் அப்படின்னு சொல்ல droplets. Okay, so that form clouds in the sky. So that water form a clouds on the sky. Okay, that is called condensation. The evaporation of water to form tiny water droplets, that is called condensation. Then next one, precipitation. The million of tiny droplets collide with one another to form large droplets. So the million of droplets join large droplets when the air around the clouds is cool. These droplets of water fall in the form of snow or rain. That is called precipitation. Okay, in a water cycle the 3 stages are very important stages. First one evaporation, and second one condensation, and third one precipitation. Okay, then activity, you do this activity in your home. Spread a piece of wet cloth in the sunlight. Observe after some time where has the water in the wet cloth gone. Okay, the cloth are dry. Okay, where the water's gone? The sun absorbs the water. The water gases are formed to upward direction. They form the water clouds. The water evaporates into the atmosphere due to the heat of the sun. Okay. Next, have you heard of transpiration? You heard transpiration. What is meant by transpiration? Okay, it is process of loss of water from the aerial parts of plant in vapor form. That is called the transpiration. Very important. What is meant by transpiration? The water from the aerial parts of plant in vapor form. What is the form of water? Vapor form. That is called transpiration. There is a continuous cycling of water and exists three forms in nature. Water evaporating from lakes, rivers and oceans forms the gaseous state. Rainwater forms the liquid state. Snow on mountains and polar ice caps forms the solid state. So, the water have three stages, solid and liquid and gases. So, the lakes and rivers and oceans form gaseous state form of water, and rainwater forms the liquid state of form of water, and mountains, that snow, polar ice caps have that is solid state of water. Okay, these three states occur in nature. Keep the total amount of water on the earth constant even when the whole world is using it. Is or no? The whole world are used to the water. How do you know that atmosphere has water vapor? How do you know? So let us do the following activity. Okay, take a glass of half filled water. Wipe the outer surface on the glass with a clean piece of cloth. Add some water into that water. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Observe the changes take place on the outer surface of the glass. From where do water drops appear on the outer side of the glass? The cold surface of the glass containing ice water cools the air around it, and the water vapor on air condenses on the surface of the glass. So, this process also the result of condensation of water vapor. What is meant by condensation? The atmospheric water vapor cool and form a tiny water particles. That is called condensation. Okay. So, next one. This is surface of water, natural sources of fresh water. Okay, the three types of natural sources of fresh water are available on the earth. Surface water. You see the surface, very nice. No, it's a very very likely place, I think. Okay, you see this place, very nice. Okay, near Discovery Channel, you see many more natural scenes on that channel. Okay, water present on the surface on the earth such as river, lake, pond, streams or fresh water. Bedland is called surface water. Okay, then frozen water. This is frozen water, cool water. No, water that present in the form of polar ice caps. In Himalayas there have the water in the form of ice cubes. Okay, ice caps. That galleries are called frozen water. That water is called frozen water. A large portion of water is 68.7% of the total water available fresh water in the frozen state. The frozen state of water are evaporate and give fresh water. Okay, then groundwater. Groundwater is the water present beneath earth's surface in the soil, under the soil. Okay, that is called groundwater. Okay, listen. Today homework you write it. Three important that what is meant by evaporation and what is meant by condensation And what is mean by water cycle? What is mean by water cycle? Evaporation, condensation, evaporation, condensation. These questions you want to write and send. These precipitation questions also you want to write and send. Okay. What is meant by water cycle? What is meant by evaporation? What is meant by condensation? What is meant by precipitation? These four questions you want to write and send it to your class teacher. Okay. You see this page and read one or two times and find out the answer and send your class teacher. Okay. Thank you children. Thank you.